All right, hi guys. I am officially starting my first week of working from home, and I'm going to bring you all along. I am a bit nervous, but I'm more excited about, talking to my students and getting back into the swing of things. It'll just be a different way of doing so. It's already somewhat late, and I really need to get going. Christian and I are going to Target today. We're also going to Aldi because I need to really get some groceries. So I am going to bring you all along with me. I also need to clean up, so I also want to show you guys. I also want to do like a clean with me somewhat. I will be doing a lot more vlogging this week. And I am going to have you all come along with me. So let's go. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm at Target, by the way. Successful Target trip this was. So I was unable to do a full shopping trip at Aldi because when we got there, the guy outside said that I had 4 minutes. This is the bag. So I just went in there and literally just grabbed some things that I know that we typically use. I am going to go back to the store tomorrow or another day, but I'll be going soon. I picked up some honey wheat bread. I got some tortilla chips. I really like the restaurant style. I picked up some broccoli, some more broccoli, some Swiss cheese. I have really been loving Swiss cheese, like so much better than American cheese. I picked up some sliced mushrooms, and I also, and so for all of this from Aldi, it was $11.57. And I will be reusing this bag, of course. I forgot about this water. Also from Aldi, we did get a 24 case of water. From Target, we picked up some chips. These are my favorite, the salt and vinegar Pringles, and these are Christian's favorite. He likes the cheddar cheese Pringles, so we got these. I also picked up some coffee because I'm pretty much out. Some nasty coffee that I picked up from Aldi one day. It's so disgusting. I don't like the aftertaste it leaves in my mouth. But anyway, I picked up my favorite. This is my favorite from Starbucks, the Veranda Blend. And now let's get to the fun stuff. So, like this cup, as soon as we walk into Target, right on the left hand side was Starbucks, and there was a shelf with cups and mugs and stuff, and there was this cup. Like, I am so happy. This one I also picked up from Target, and this one I don't know how much is usually on sale for, but it was only $3. This one is slim, but yes, they're both 24 ounces. And I am super duper excited. This one was like $19.95, and this one was $3. So yes. Also from Target, which this is what I originally went for anyway, I picked up this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It's for normal to dry skin. It has been accepted by the National Eczema Association, which I do have eczema. And it has hyaluronic acid and 3 essential ceramides. So I am super excited to try this. I was going to get the big bottle until I saw that they had this one, and I was like, why not just get the smaller one just to try it out. And then I also picked up the daily moisturizing lotion. So super excited to use these. I also picked up these eyelashes. These are some handmade Allure eyelashes with definition. They give me like the mink vibes. They are a little bit more longer or dramatic than what I would normally wear, but I am trying out different lashes. You all saw about like 3 different pair from the beauty supply store the other day, and if you didn't see that, I'll just insert that clip here. And I don't know which pair I want to wear first. I'm excited though. And it also comes with lash glue and some tweezers, so I got that. I also picked up some press-on nails. I got them in the color red. The shade on them is actually Tweetheart. That's what it says, Tweetheart. I also picked up this Maybelline New York lipstick. It is red. It is a matte red, and it is called Red for Me, and it looks like that. So this is all for my Target haul. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my Target haul. So my total was like $71.83. So I'm about to put this away. You all know I line my pan literally for everything that I cook. So I'm just going to take some out. So I only like pour on here because we're really not, it's probably not gonna be that many. So I have 4 on here, and I'm gonna use the rest of the sweet potato fries. And we are also, it's gonna be so good with ranch. Not for me. And also, this is the broccoli from last week, or from a previous grocery trip, so I'm just about to use the rest of this. I have really been loving fresh broccoli lately, you guys.
Food is always good.
This is it. I have the chicken tenders, sweet potato fries, and broccoli. Now, before I put this in, I do like to go ahead and season it. So the timer is set for 20 minutes. So now we can go back to my room. Okay, so I added my ranch to my buffalo chicken strips and some ketchup and ranch on my sweet potato fries. So I'm done eating Christmas done, and so we're about to But I literally do this every single night, and let me show you what I use. Cascade Platinum. Okay guys, so that's it for the kitchen. It's officially done. My dishwasher is going. The sink is clean. Counters are clean. I really like clear clean counters. That's why I try not to put anything on them, because I like to put things like that. Now I do want like the jar that has like the wooden spatulas and stuff. I do want that. As you can see, it's pretty like